Hello world, this is Trent Collins once again with an RV walk around. This is a 2020 Starcraft 171RD. It stands for rear dinette. It is a 17-foot box. It is 21 foot in overall length. It is a single axle trailer with a 10-foot power awning with built-in LED lights and speakers into it. See the lights up there, the speakers. Close the side door. Friction hinge door, so the door stays where you put it. Pre-wired for the Z-Amp solar system. Nice magnetic catches for your doors. Big pass-through storage area with a light. Single entry step because it's low enough to the ground. See those LED lights, and then you can see the marine grade outdoor speakers built in there as well. As we travel around the back of the unit, 3-inch sewer hose step bumper rated at 300 pounds and a full-size spare tire. This one is prepped for the Furrion backup camera, so you can do the wireless backup camera in it. And these awnings are adjustable pitch, just with a simple pull, so you can dump your water off of them. As we go inside, you'll see that didn't even hit the wall there because it's got that friction hinge door design. As we go inside, got a little bit of a cattywampus blind there, but as we go inside, it's a 60 by 75 and a half queen mattress. So it is about 4.5 inches short of 60 by 80, which would be a true queen. Good size wardrobe storage there. Overhead cabinetry. Sliding window to allow for ventilation. And as we turn around to the back side of us, you get your nice little kitchen area, overhead microwave, overhead cabinetry, lots of drawers. So a half drawer up top with a full drawer slide and a full bottom drawer. Cabinetry, cabinetry, cabinetry. This one has the nice glass cooktop Furrion cover with the blue ambient lighting behind it. Vent hood and microwave. This unit is awesome because of the amount of rear windows in it. 180 degrees of views. All of them are side slide windows, so they really open up and give a good feel, cross breeze through if you like that. And the U-shaped dinette is a little bigger than most because of this being an 8-foot wide trailer. Typically when you go down under 20 foot in trailer length, the camper is going to be an 8-foot wide or a 7-foot wide trailer and a 74-inch tall interior height. This is an 8-foot wide trailer and is an 84-inch tall interior ceiling. With that being said, there's some things that you get in an 8-foot wide trailer that you don't typically get in a 7-foot wide trailer. The first and most important one, other than the space and size inside of it, is going to be the 6 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Not a 2.8 or a 4 cubic foot combo unit. This is a dedicated fridge and freezer. Furnace is just below it. The kitchenette, the thing that you get is the dual basin sink. Typically a single basin sink. TV mount would be right here to the side of the microwave. The other thing that you get is this extra area at the foot of the bed, being 96 inches wide. Gives you the opportunity versus 84 inches wide to put a larger mattress in here. And then another big one, the sink in the bathroom. So good linen and cabinetry space in here. Good size stand-up shower with the vent fan with the tub combo. Guys, as always, if you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. My name's Trent, T-R-E-N-T. My phone number is always listed in the comments. It's 865-934-9341. I'm available on a daily basis. For any reason I don't answer, just leave me a message. I'll be happy to return your call. Makes an extra sleeping surface out of the dinette, obviously. And real quick, let's talk about trailer weight. 8-foot wide, 17-foot box, 21 foot in overall length, 3,500 pounds. Towable by just about any small SUV. Oh, a couple other things. So nitrogen filled tires with easy lube hubs. So your grease point is right under this little bearing. galvanized wheel well liners in case you do have a blowout. You've got some steel to protect the sidewall of your trailer from damage. And then you can see right here, Starcraft does a good job of tying outriggers all the way to the I-beam frame so that you have support for your wall and ceiling weight. This unit comes with 2 scissor jacks in the back. We'll take a quick walk around to the other side just so I can show you the mechanicals. Single 20-pound propane tank, nice diamond plate rock guard on the front. There's your freshwater tank fill, your cable connection, and your pressurized city tank fill, your gray and your black tank all tied into one outlet, your 6-gallon hot water heater with a quick refresh rate, and your 30-amp plug. 2020 Starcraft Autumn Ridge 171 RD. Thanks guys, have a great day.